Some time ago, I picked up the 3-volume set of Alexander Solzhenitsyn's Gulag Archipelago, and I thought this would be something helpful to read and discuss. So I picked it up and started reading through it, and I sat it down pretty quickly. Having worked in prison mission work and then picking up and reading the things that I read, it was troubling to see, to hear Solzhenitsyn's experience. I'm flipping through and I got 55 pages in to volume 1, and it was just too much. So what I want to do is I want to go back and I want to start reading again and picking up from where I left off, and then going back and sharing different ideas with you. One thing that jumps out very quickly here on just in the preface, before we even get into the book itself, there's this proverb. It says, "No, don't dig up the past. Dwell on the past and you'll lose an eye." But the proverb goes on to say, "Forget the past and you'll lose both eyes." Histories like this, one reason why they're so troubling is there's an idealistic notion that the things that Solzhenitsyn was up against, there was an ideology that he was up against. And people who buy into the Marxist communist ideology, it's very uncomfortable when a history comes along that so thoroughly repudiates the idea and it reveals the dark side of an ideology. He says, "But it all took place just as it is here described." I think it's important when we read difficult histories that we need to read as if it's accurate, but have some suspicion. Look for things that might be biases or some motivations that the author has. But at the end of the day, if you're going to read a history, you need to trust the author is honest in what is being shared. And if in doubt, mark it, do some research before just dismissing what the authors had to say. Gulag Archipelago coming up.